In this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating Treemaps using Tableau. We will use the sample superstore dataset provided by Tableau to visualize the sales and the profits of products by category in a Treemap. So after connecting to our dataset, let's drag a dimension field category onto the text card. As seen in the data pane, product is a hierarchy consisting of category, subcategory, manufacturer, and product name. Hence, we can expand on the hierarchy by clicking on this plus icon and show the second level, which is subcategory. You can customize the labels to add context to the tree map as well. Next, let's drag sales onto the size card and profit onto the color card. This will create a nested tree map where you can see clearly that the tree map is segmented by category, technology, furniture, and office supplies. So the bigger rectangles represent a higher number of sales, while the different colors of the rectangles represent the amount of profits, with orange representing negative profits. From this tree map, we can tell that copiers earn the most profit, while tables earn the least profit, despite having a decent amount of sales. So alternatively, after adding the relevant measures and dimension fields into the worksheet, you can also click on this Show Me toolbar and select the tree map option to automatically generate the tree map. So this is how you can create a simple tree map using Tableau.